Frittella.
Okay.
We like
That
it.
is a great start.
Ciao guys!
Hi guys, welcome to Noosa, the most popular area in Sunshine Coast. Chris and Vale here.
Welcome to our channel, Fooding Around Australia.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Valentina.
Yeah.
Yes, Philippa.
Oh, ciao Filippa.
we got
How
the-
are you?
We got the special guest, Filippa.
Filippa Holness. Here we go.
All we need is love.
Good. Just take my exercise.
Oh, good on. Okay, let's go, Cristiano.
Let's go.
Let's go for a little stroll on Hasting Street.
Hello. Hello.
All right, Chris, this is a very popular holiday destination in Australia. Everyone wants to come to Noosa. Everyone. His birthday soon.
I'm a bit. We are in front of the restaurant, Rococo Bistro Noosa, and
And we cannot wait to try the food.
you know what kind of cuisine they do?
It's all European,
Okay.
so you're gonna have a lot of surprises.
Fantastic.
Good.
Okay, we are ready. Follow us. Okay guys, we are here at the Rococo Bistro in Noosa. Unfortunately, Vale left, so she has to go some... Oh, you're still here?
What do you mean I left?
Ah, sorry guys. My bad. Okay, so we are here and...
Cristiano put on his fancy shirt. Because we are in Noosa, we need to be fancy.
Yeah, of course. By the way, guys, what do you think about my shirt? Write down in the comments.
Bellissimo proprio.
Bellissimo, bellissimo. And
Anyway.
yeah, did you already check the menu?
No, not yet.
yet?
I tried just the little one, so they have like a little spuntino, so like a light lunch menu. Or you can have like the
Interesting.
classic a la carte. I want to
Okay.
show you, like, Cristiano, look how fancy is the wine menu. Or like the drinks
Wow.
menu, like, oh my god. Look at this.
Very nice, huh?
Actually, they have like very, very good cocktails, man.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to check the menu out and just for you guys, and then we are going to eat.
Yeah.
Finally.
Dai, scegliamo.
Shit, yeah.
Stop fucking around.
Ehi, beep! C'hanno la porchetta, però non posso prendere la porchetta anche qua, se no
Perché?
sembra che faccio il cazzo, mangio sempre la
In
porchetta.
che senso? Dov'è la porchetta?
Ecco, porchetta.
Ti piace il porco? Devi...
Porco, ti piace il porco?
È bella questa,
Ti
questa è
piace il
nuova.
porco?
Dove
Non
ti
so
piace?
cosa sia il
Bella, però.
manchego.
Quel formaggio di pecora spagnolo.
Questa lì facciamo un culo così agli spagnoli, eh?
Ah, is it the final? The semi-final?
Semifinal
Te la
tonight.
guardi- I don't know, we are in the study. How are the frittelle? How many are in the plate? Because we're gonna share an
So
entrance.
it can be nice to share it because it's between like 5 to 6 balls.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's with cheese insalata.
Okay. And what about the insalata?
So
Have you tried that one?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know probably are Italian.
Yeah.
So it's a prosciutto with mozzarella cheese, the buffalo mozzarella cheese,
Yeah.
balsamic and tomato as well.
So it's a kind of caprese.
Sì, it's more like a
It's like a
caprese.
caprese salad, but
Plus
it's
the
with
prosciutto.
Yes, easy,
You know.
Frittelle.
Frittelle for you,
think, yeah.
you wanna go something different outside of Italy. Let's do the
Yes.
frittelle then. Okay. And then we're gonna have as a main, we're gonna have what are you gonna have? The carbonara.
The carbonara, yes, I want to try your carbonara.
And I'm gonna try the porchetta as a main.
Do
Which
like
one,
it?
sorry?
The Beaujolais.
Okay.
It's nice. It's not local. It's from France, but it's really nice. Otherwise,
Oui, je ne comprends pas, rien ne va plus.
everything for everything, yes.
Okay.
And otherwise, go on the Tisner, that is from Italy, or the
Toscana rosso
Toscana
from
rosso.
Tuscany.
No,
Yes.
sta Italia,
Yes.
sei Italia, stai italiano.
Carbonara.
Carbonara e vino
Toscano.
rosso toscano, perfetto. Oh, can I have the bat migration from Boiling Pot? Yes. It's a black lager.
Thank you. Thank you.
So,
She was very kind.
yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna have a local beer from Noosa, from Boiling Pot, and he's drinking the Italian wine.
From Tuscany. What's wrong?
I don't know. A little bit and a little bit, alright?
Okay, guys, just have to wait now.
Cheers! Cristiano all'opera. That's what we always take it before eating. Cristiano needs to get this perfect shot.
Of course. Okay, I got it.
Now can we eat? Finally! Finally we eat it!
Yeah.
Yes!
So Vale, that is my
Hola.
entry. What is your?
Excuse me? They smell good. Are you ready, man? Oh,
Looks very cheesy.
yeah!
Nice.
I love cheese.
Yum.
It's gonna be hot, I'm gonna bite my tongue.
Yeah, for sure.
They are very cheesy.
Are they good?
Oh, they're very good. Actually, you can really taste the manchego, like the Spanish cheese, Spanish sheep cheese. The manchego, oh, it gives it like a little bit of a more of a spice taste, like it's tastier than like a normal cheddar or another cheese of that type. Actually, the relish is pretty nice as well. It goes very well together. Can I have them all?
No. Okay, that is my turn. I'm going to try this beautiful frittella.
Frittella. What do you think?
It's like a part in my mouth.
Yeah, a part in your mouth.
With the right?
They are dancing la bamba. Para ballar la bamba. Para ballar la bamba. Yeah, the flavors together are very good.
Okay.
We like
That
it.
is a great start.
We like it. Anyway, like they give you like like a little plate.
Oh.
You
Here you go. Yeah.
For to share, you didn't have to take it straight from the plate.
I'm like a beast.
You are. Thank you. Mi ha aperto. You have spaghetti? to roll the spaghetti.
Yeah,
Come on.
I'm from Milan.
Doesn't matter. This is.
I never use the spoon to eat spaghetti.
But you know, like for roll the spaghetti, you know what you use it for?
I know. I just say.
Show them how to do it.
I will show you how to use the spoon with the spaghetti, but I say that I never use the spoon with spaghetti.
Oddio, mi sto morendo.
Ti stai morendo?
Mi sto morendo.
Guys, si sta morendo. How do you translate si sta
Mi
morendo?
sto morendo.
Mi sta morendo proprio, cioè proprio mi sta morendo di brutto.
Spero che dovete sedere lì, così avevamo il riflesso del. Dobbiamo fare una foto qua.
Con lo specchio? Siamo venuti proprio in un locale fancy, io che gioco col cucchiaio come lo metto nell'occhio.
Mi sto affogando. But actually, I like the music in this place. It's quite like, you know.
It's very, chill out.
Yeah, chill out, but like, you know.
Guys, sorry. We didn't show you the Valentina's t-shirt. She always use band t-shirts. So what we have today?
Guns N' Roses, yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. Thank you.
Oh.
Would you like
No,
some
era
pepper?
already.
Oh, there is already the pepper here. Yeah, I think so.
Oh.
All right, guys. What we have here? Wow. Oh,
Now you invite me.
that looks great. Wow. And look at this.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wow.
That's a great carbonara. All right, Chris.
Okay.
Now I want to see you like attack this. How do you come dici scomposta?
It looks good. And I'm going to try the taste. I know for everybody that they are maniac with the traditional carbonara, that is not a traditional recipe. It's something different. Maybe it's much better. Are you ready?
Go, man. Oh, look at that.
Okay, it smells good. It smells
Oh, I
good.
can smell the pecorino from here.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna use the.
Okay.
spoon.
The spoon. The spoon. You're going to
Okay,
take,
this is like how to use a spoon while eating spaghetti.
Yeah. I'm going to teach you. Even if I never did before, because I never use a spoon, as I told you before, and
You cannot use it actually.
it's like
You
How
took
you
too
can-
much pasta.
how you can use the spoon. It's something like this.
Yeah.
Okay, we are in a fancy place, so sit well. Don't be too loud. Go to try. My opinion.
Yeah.
I love carbonara. My mom used to make a great carbonara. This is a little bit different. There is a cream, there is mushroom. But you know what? I like it. I really like it. The taste is very strong. It's, you can feel everything. And I love it. Well done. Oh, I can do the same without the spoon. So this.
I wanna try. I wanna try too.
What do you want to try?
Yo,
Oh,
I'm very curious because I love carbonara, and I used to live in Rome, so you know,
I'm happy
carbonara is.
I'm happy
Rome.
I'm happy that you wanna try, and I would like to know what you think about it.
It's actually not bad.
It's good.
It's
huh?
very good. Yeah, you got the mushroom, but like, actually didn't expect the egg to melt
Yeah.
like this and make
Yeah.
all this creaminess because it wasn't already mixed. It's amazing.
It's great.
It's great. Okay, so we got like the pork
Interesting
belly
dish.
with an amazing crackling. Look at this. And then we got a very good combination, I think, because we got like the pear and then some gorgonzola. So really want to try like the mix of the flavors because I think it's gonna be very interesting.
So you want to put all together?
Yeah. And then I got something green to eat as usual.
Yeah. Usually.
This fried sage is actually quite good.
Means good.
Oh my, buonissimo.
Really?
It's all stuff that I really like. I bloody love gorgonzola.
You should to cut a little bit
For you.
for me, yeah, because I want
Like
to
a
try.
manage too. Okay, the pork is cooked to perfection.
Ooh,
So obviously the
look
crackling
the
is
skin.
very crackling, so it's hard to...
Nice.
Do you want to try a little bit? I'm gonna cut a little bit of everything and then you can do your own thing.
Okay, so this, and this.
That's gonna be
That
the...
is my composition.
Oop! You lost
Can
it.
you put in the top? Thank you. And
Swap!
Okay,
È
guys.
veramente buono.
Now we will be busy for the next 15 minutes. So see you later. Ciao. All right. Mine is already gone. It was great. But do you need help?
If you want to, like your share is on the side.
Quite full, but okay. If you ask gently, I will help you. Yes.
It's up to you.
The chef. We are looking for a chef. Are you the chef?
No, he's running away.
Did he? Run away, really?
Chef! Oh! Chef!
How's
what's
everything?
true? You were,
You
you were
ran
trying
away.
to run away. What's true?
I was just trying to go on my break.
Okay, no, we were just thank you. Was everything good?
Appreciate it.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Good.
You did very well.
Good. Especially for the pork belly, the
Like the
porchetta.
pork belly.
Oh my god, it was
It was
cooked
great.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Crispy and soft inside.
Yeah, perfect.
No, no, it was
That's it.
fantastic. Good. And the carbonara.
Carbonara is nice.
It's nice.
It's
Oh,
very
you're from
different
Italy,
for
yeah?
us.
Oh, you guys-
You know
Yeah.
Where about in
traditional-
Italy?
Milan
And Sardinia.
Sardinia. We used to have a chef from Sardinia in here.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Hope he's gonna come back soon.
Well done, chef. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Appreciate it,
very
guys.
much. Enjoy your break.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good
so
one.
much.
Maybe I see you tonight.
Okay, guys. We got full bellies after our visit at Rococo. So,
Bistro in Noosa.
Rococo Bistro in Noosa.
Yeah.
So here we are to give you our conclusions.
Yes, fantastic. So we start with location.
So what do we think? It's obviously on the main street of Noosa, on Hasting Street. And it's it's quite nice. It's
Yeah.
very well thought. Like styling inside is quite nice. There are a lot of plants. The bar actually is quite. It's very
Great
interesting.
music,
The music
great
is amazing. The
music.
atmosphere is beautiful.
No, good vibes. Very,
Yeah,
very
we
nice.
really like-
Okay, now service.
Service. All right, it's a bistro, so it's quite like kind of a fancy restaurant. So you get like a table service. Like the guys in there are super nice. The service is quite fast too.
Oh,
I would
was
say.
good.
Like the
Yeah.
food came
I
in
can complain
quite
with
quick.
everything. Yeah,
So yeah, we're very well impressed with the service.
it was good.
Next one,
Food.
food.
Ooh,
All right,
food.
Cristiano, what do you think?
Well, I think that we had a great experience at the Rococo Bistro. Was great. Was everything good?
Yeah, everything was cooked to perfection. Taste amazing.
Yeah.
Like actually is very good. It's very worth it to go and give it a try.
Exactly.
Yeah. Last one.
Last one.
The bill.
Where is the bill?
I don't know. What is the bill? You have it, man. You paid for it.
Yeah. Here we go.
Okay.
That's the bill.
Oh look, even the bill looks fancy. Look at that. So we spent $123 so we had like a one entree to share, the fritters, and then we had two mains, so one pasta and one main, like a meat main was porchetta, and then two drinks, one glass of red wine and one beer, for $123 in a very nice place in Noosa.
And guys, was very good. So
Yeah.
really give it a try.
Definitely give it a try. It is amazing. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this
New
adventure.
adventure that is already
Done.
yeah, it's already the last adventure. No,
Yeah,
no anymore,
it's and okay, if you liked it, please give us like a thumbs up. So a like, comment anything that you want to say about the video, share the video, put the little bell on so you will know when we are out next with the next video.
Clever.
Next Monday. So you find all the handles underneath, so our Instagram, our
Facebook.
So guys,
Thank you so much and be grateful. Much love. Enjoy your day.
Ciao.
Ciao.